For your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only I never need to hide. You can see so much in me, so much in me that's new. You see what no one else can see. Now I'm breaking free for your eyes only. Only for you. The passion that inside of me, the fantasy you free in me. Only for you. Only for you. For your eyes only, the nights I never go. You really know me, that's all I need to know. Maybe I'm an open book because I know you're mine. But you want me to read between the lines. For your eyes only, only for you. You see what no one else can see. Now I'm breaking free for your eyes only, only for you. The passion that's collided me, the wild abandon inside of me, only for you.